HTJ.tax, the international tax firm for 6, 7, and 8-figure investors and entrepreneurs who are living that international life. Are you ready?
Anyway, so this person is here in Bali, running a business, an LLC in the US, clients in the UK and Singapore, and they're considering getting an investor Kitas, a C314 in Indonesia as a non-executive shareholder in a PTPMA. So the question is, after all of that, given that structure, what are the options to optimize tax liability in Indonesia? Is it possible? Blah, 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 blah. Okay.
It depends.
So, it depends. Yeah, the answer is always it depends. But what struck me is that this person is a consultant, right? So chances are it is like a single member LLC, as we say in US terms. So the point is that management and control, those two tests, management and control are being exercised from Indonesia.
Yeah.
So this company should be taxable to Indonesia.
Yeah.
In the first place. So, I'm glad that this person is, thinking of doing the right thing, which is registering for Kitas and whatever. So you're correct. This person is correct. You need to register a business in Indonesia because you're running a business from Indonesia. You get your PTPMA set up. And then I guess you can be an employee of that PTPMA. So you pay taxes, whatever's left inside will be paying corporate taxes. So yeah, I think this person is on the right path. What do you say about that, Dickie? This person's on the right path,
yeah. So dividends right now, you are an individual and you get dividends from the company. Mm-hmm. It might be 0% tax on dividends. Right. If the dividends you invest in again to the companies, or to you buy bonds in Indonesia, or you buy shares on the stock exchange. Mm-hmm. So if you invest again in Indonesia, then will be 0% tax.
Right. So this is good. So this is a good planning opportunity, right? So in terms of legitimate tax planning, if it is the profits are reinvested into Indonesia, you can relieve yourself of the dividend taxes. Or is it relief or is it deferred? So at some point in time.
So not the profit, Darren. It's dividend.
Yeah. Oh, the dividends. Okay.
Dividend, not the profit.
Yeah.
Okay. So
okay. Right. So okay. Let me just make sure I got this right. So this person is going to be in a Kita, so they need to pay themselves a salary.
Yeah.
Right. And that salary will be taxable.
Yeah.
That's the income tax. And then they have a company, the PTPMA. So the PTPMA will pay the corporate taxes, whatever that will be. Yeah. Right. So then ordinarily when they pull the dividends out, that will be taxable as well.
Yes. Yeah.
But they can avail themselves of a planning opportunity.
Yeah. Yes.
And they can invest that in certain, like in bonds and certain instruments.
Yeah. Partially can. Yeah. Partially also can.
Partially. Okay.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.